Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to align text in CapCut. So without any further ado, let's get into it. And first, open your CapCut app and create a new project. And now choose a video that you want to add text to. Now to create a text, click on text and click on add text. Now enter the desired text. Once you've created the text, you can move the text by simply clicking on it by your fingers and moving around the screen. Now it will also suggest you to keep the text in the frame. Now to align the text, you can simply click on the text and move around the screen and place wherever you want. For example, if I want to make it centered, when I see these 4 blue lines, means the text is centered. And just like that, we have aligned text in CapCut. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.